Today, I will discuss some answers to the grammatical items that I already gave to you. Now, take your exercise book and write them out. I knew your slippers. I knew your slippers. Here, write down the answers, instructions. New. Use noun of new. I knew your slippers. Here new is used as the verb word, but if you are asked to convert the sentence using noun word of new, what type of sentence will you write? You may write the sentence in answer in this way. I was of the knowledge that. I was of the knowledge that. Or I had the knowledge that. Or according to my knowledge. According to my knowledge. Knowledge is the noun word. I was of the knowledge that. I had the knowledge that. According to my knowledge. Next, you will have to write your slippers. Your slippers. I was of the knowledge that your slippers. I had the knowledge that your slippers. Or according to my knowledge, your slippers. According to my knowledge, your slippers. In this way, you may write the sentence converting the verb word into a noun word. Now, if the sentence is to be converted into passive form, what type of sentence will you write? Suppose if the sentence is to be converted into passive structure, what type of sentence will you write? Now write the answer. Make it passive voice or change the voice. I knew. I is the subject, knew is the finite verb, she is the subject, or is the finite verb, slippers is the object here. But here at the time of converting the sentence into passive formation, you may take it as the object. Here it was known to me. At the time of writing the answer in the passive voice, you will have to write the answer, it was known to me. I knew, it was known to me that your slippers. Here your slippers. That your slippers. This is the subordinating clause. Here, if this is the complex sentence, at the time of making it passive formation, you will also to make the sentence as complex in the passive formation. It was known to me that slippers, next the object slippers, S-L-I-P-P-E-R-S, slippers. Here this is the use of subject. Next, where the verb will be used, or is the V2 form, W-R-M, worn by her. Her is the subject, it will be turned into object. It was known to me that slippers were worn by her. In this way, you will have to convert the sentence into passive formation. Another question on the grammatical items. Are you going all the way to Dehra? Are you going all the way to Dehra? I asked. Change the narration. Are you going all the way to Dehra? Change the narration. This is the instruction. So at the time of converting the speech, I asked the girl. If you take the person spoken to, I asked the girl if she was going. Here you refers to the girl. So at the time of converting the speech into indirect narration, here as you is the second person, it relates to the girl. So the pronoun she will be used in order to replace the pronoun you. I asked the girl if she was going. Here are going is the present continuous verb. At the time of converting the speech into indirect formation, it will have to change into past continuous formation. Was going all the way to Dehra. It is in this way you may convert the speech into indirect formation. I asked the girl if she was going all the way to Dehra. Next, grammatical item, she gave a little exclamation. She gave a little exclamation. She gave a little exclamation. Now the instruction, use verb of exclamation. The verb of exclamation is exclaim, but here the verb is used in the V2 form. So you will have to write, she exclaimed a little. She exclaimed a little. Here exclaimed is used as the verb of exclamation. In this way you may change the sentence. I said calling on my memories. Next question. I said calling on my memories. Here this is the simple sentence, and if you are asked to convert the sentence into a compound sentence, what type of answer will you write? I said calling on my memories. That is, Here calling is used as the participle word, but at the time of converting the speech into compound formation, make it compound sentence. Compound sentence. What type of sentence will you write? You will have to write the sentence, I called on my memories and said. This is the answer. Next, grammatical item. I turned from the window and faced the girl. I turned from the window and faced the girl. This is the compound sentence, and you are asked to convert the sentence into a simple sentence. Make it simple. Make it simple. What type of sentence will you write? Answer. Turning from the window using participle. You may write the sentence in answer. Turning from the window I faced the girl. I faced the girl. In this way, you may write the answer. Next, grammar. Follow it. As soon as she left the train, she would forget our brief encounter. As soon as she left the train, she would forget our brief encounter. If the sentence is given and you are asked to convert the sentence into a simple sentence, what type of answer will you write? As soon as she left the train, she would forget our brief encounter. If the sentence is given and you are going to make it simple formation, what type of sentence will you write? Here, as soon as will be replaced by the use of immediately after. immediately. Immediately after. Leaving. Leaving. Immediately after leaving the train, she would forget our brief encounter. In this way, you may write the answer. Next, a man getting into the compartment stammered an apology. Write down the sentence. A man getting into the compartment stammered an apology. A man getting into the compartment stammered an apology. Suppose you are asked to convert the sentence into a complex sentence. Make it complex. What type of answer will you write? If the instruction is given in this way, you will have to write the answer. A man getting into the compartment. Here getting is used as the participle word, so at the time of converting the participle phrase, getting into the compartment, this participle phrase may be converted into adjective clause or relative clause. So a man who was getting into the compartment stammered an apology. Stammered an apology. A man stammered an apology. This is the principal clause. Who was getting into the compartment. This is the subordinating clause. So as there is the one principal clause with one or more than one subordinating clause, this is the complex sentence. So in this way, you may convert the convert the sentence into complex sentence. Now, next grammar. The guard blew his whistle and we moved off. The guard blew his whistle and we moved off. And we moved off. If the sentence is given and you are asked to turn the sentence into complex sentence, what type of answer will you write? Now see the answer. When or as the guard blew his whistle we moved off. Or we moved off when or as the guard blew his whistle. In this way you may write the answer. Now another grammar. The man who had entered the compartment broke into my reverie. The man who had entered the compartment broke into my reverie. Here, see the sentence. If you go to analyze the sentence, the man broke into my reverie. This is the principal clause, and here who had entered the compartment, this is used as the subordinating clause. This is the subordinating relative clause. And if you are asked to convert the sentence into a simple sentence, make it simple. What type of answer will you write? Now write down the answer. If you go to write the answer, you will have to write in this way. The man entering the compartment broke into my reverie. Broke into my reverie. Here the man broke into my reverie, this is the principal clause. And here, entering the compartment, this is used as the participle phrase. This is the non-finite clause. This may also be termed as a non-finite clause. The man entering the compartment, here entering is used as the participle phrase or participle clause. This participle phrase or participle clause is called non-finite clause. And here, broke, this is the finite verb only. As there is only one finite verb in this sentence, this is called simple sentence. So at the time of converting such type of complex sentence into a simple sentence, if you write the sentence in this way, the man entering the compartment broke into my reverie, this type of sentence is to be termed as simple sentence. Now, another grammatical items. The guard, Then the door banged and the world was shut out again. Now write down the sentence. Then the door banged and the world was shut out again. And the world was shut out again. Then the door banged. This is the main clause. The world was shut out again. This is also another main clause. Combined by the coordinating conjunction and. Such type of sentence is called compound sentence. And if you are asked to convert the sentence into complex sentence, make it complex. What type of answer will you write? Now write down the answer. When or as the door banged, the world was shut out again. In this way, you will have to write the answer. Next, grammar. The guard blew his whistle and we moved off. The guard blew his whistle and We moved off. Make it complex sentence. Make it complex. What type of answer will you write? When the guard blew his whistle, when the guard blew his whistle, we moved off. Here we moved off, this is the principal clause. When the guard blew his whistle, this is the subordinate clause. As there is one principal clause with one or more than one subordinating clause in this sentence, this is a complex sentence, and in this way you may write the answer. Now write down another sentence. She had beautiful eyes. She had beautiful eyes, but they were of no use to her. They were of no use to her. Here, if you are asked to convert the sentence, complex sentence, make it complex. What type of answer will you write? She had beautiful eyes, they were of no use to her. They were of no use to her. You will have to use adverb clause of concession or supposition or contrast. So at the time of writing the answer, here though or although will be used. Though she had beautiful eyes, they were of no use to her. No use to her. Here in this way you may write the sentence. But here use is the use of noun word. But if you are asked to convert use as the adjective word to make or to convert the sentence, what type of sentence will you write? If you want to use as a adjective word, you will have to write the sentence in this way. She had beautiful eyes, they were not useful to her. In this way, you will have to write the sentence. Adjective of use. Answer. She had beautiful eyes. They were not useful to her. In this way, you may write the answer. I love the hills. I love the hills. Make it negative. I love the hills, make it negative. To write the answer, you will have to write, I am not without love for the hills. In this way, you will have to write the answer. I am not without love for the hills. If the instruction is given in this way that use love as a noun word, then you may write the sentence in this way. I am not without love for the hills. She thought me a romantic fool. Next, grammar. She thought me a romantic fool. She thought me a romantic fool. If this sentence is given and you are asked to convert the sentence into passive formation, change the voice. What type of sentence will you write in answer? Here she is the subject, me is the object. A romantic fool is used here as the complement. A complement cannot be used as a subject in a passive voice. So at the time of converting the active verb into passive verb, here we will have to notice here whether there is the verb used in the present tense or past tense. So at the time of converting the object in the passive formation, it will be converted or turned into subject. So at the time of writing the answer, I will be used instead of me, because here I is the object, but at the time of converting it into passive formation, you will have to make it subject in the passive verb. Here I, next be verb will be used. I was, next past participle form thought. I was thought a romantic fool. I was thought a romantic fool by her. I was thought a romantic fool by her. In this way, you may write the sentence. Next, grammar. There were hardly any animals left in the forest near Dehra. There were hardly any animals left in the forest near Dehra. There were hardly any animals left in the forest near Dehra. Here, if the sentence is given and you are asked to convert the sentence into passive voice, in the negative form, make it negative. What type of answer will you write? There were hardly any animals left in the forest near Dehra. You will have to write the answer in this way. There were almost no animals. There were almost no animals left in the forest near Dehra. There are almost no animals. A negative word is there. There are hardly any animals left in the forest near Dehra. So at the time of making the sentence negative, you will have to write the answer in this way. There are almost no animals left in the forest near there. Next, grammar. Few girls can resist flattery. Few girls can resist flattery. Few girls can resist flattery. If the sentence is given in this way and you are convert the sentence into negative formation, make it negative or change the voice. If two instructions are given in respect of this sentence, what type of answer will you write? Now see the answer. Few girls can resist flattery. Make it negative. Here few girls. So at the time of making the sense negative, you will have to write the answer in this way. Most of the girls cannot resist flattery. Most of the girls cannot resist flattery. Most of the girls cannot resist flattery. In this way, you may write the answer. But if the sentence is to be made passive, you will have to write the answer. Few girls can resist flattery. Flattery is the object, so at the time of making the sentence passive in passive formation, you will have to write flattery as the subject. Flattery can be resisted. Few girls can resist flattery. Here modal verb is there. And modal verb, then the verb flattery can be resisted. Resist, the past participle form of resist, resisted. Few girls can resist flattery. Flattery can be resisted by few girls. In this way, you will have to write the answers. The hills are covered with wild dahlias. Next, grammar. The hills are covered. The hills are covered. Sound. The hills are covered with wild dahlias. DAHLIAS. The hills are covered with wild dahlias. The hills are covered with wild dahlias. Change the voice. So at the time of converting the sentence, the hills are covered with wild dahlias. Here this is the passive voice. But at the time of writing the sentence in the active formation, you will have to write the answer in this way. Wild dahlias is the object. So at the time of writing the sentence, wild dahlias. Here wild dahlias has been used as the object. It has been used now as the subject. Wild dahlias are covered. You will have to replace the verb with the present indefinite verb because there is the verb used in the passive form are. Cover. Wild dahlias cover. Next, the hills the subject will be turned into the object, the hills. While dahlias covered the hills. In this way, you will have to write the answer. Next grammar. This is the best time. This is the best time. This is the best time. Make it or turn it into positive degree. Use the positive degree. This is the best time. Here, this is the adjective form used in the superlative formation. This is the best time. So at the time of converting the sentence using the positive degree, you will have to write the sentence in this way. No other time is so good as this. No other time is so good or as good as this. Here this is the best time. If there is the superlative use with the use of the only, then no other will be used at the beginning. And then the noun word, no other time. Then the verb will have to be used. No other time is here so or as good as. Here the positive degree of the word best, good is used as. Next, the word used before the verb is. Here this is there. This will be used. No other time is so good or as good as this. In this way you will have to write the answer. Next, October is the best time. October is the best time. If this sentence is to be converted with the comparative degree, now write down the instruction. May use comparative degree. Use comparative degree. October is the best time. So at the time of converting the sentence using comparative degree, you will have to write the answer in this way. October is, thou will be removed. Best is the superlative form. The better will be used in the comparative form. October is better than any other time. October is the best time. October is better than any other time. In this way you will have to write the answer. Now write down another grammar. I am not nearly as attractive a traveling companion as the one who just left. I am not nearly I am not nearly as attractive a traveling companion as the one who just left. I am not nearly as attractive a traveling companion as the one who just left. Here, if you are asked to make comparative degree, what type of sentence will you have to write? Make it comparative degree or use comparative degree. Use comparative degree. What type of answer will you write? I am not nearly as attractive a traveling companion as the one who just left. You will have to write the answer. The one who just left at the beginning. The one who just left. The one who just left is or was nearly. The one who just left is or was nearly, as will be removed by the use of more. Attractive. The one who just left is or was nearly more attractive a traveling companion. Traveling companion. Then the one who just left is or was nearly more attractive a traveling companion than I am. In this way, you may write the answer. The one who just left is or was. Was may also be used in the sentence. The one who just left is or was nearly more attractive a traveling companion than I am. Here in this way, you may give the answers to various grammatical items if you have the knowledge of grammar clearly. Thank you.